How to delete email in bulks on Gmail. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for mail.google.com, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your Gmail account. So once you're logged into your account, if you would like to delete email in bulk on your Gmail, you want to go ahead and search for the sender. So let's say I would like to delete all of the emails from Temu. Once you search for that, you'll then be able to find all the emails that has sent to you by Temu. So you want to go ahead and tap on this drop down and then tap on all. Once you do that, all of the email will be selected at once. So you can also go ahead and tap on select all conversation that match this search and then simply tap on delete icon. Tap on OK, and just like so, it will then be removed from your email and then it will get stored on your trash. If you would like to delete permanently, tap on more, tap on trash, and then tap on empty trash now. Tap on OK, and just like so, you'll then be able to delete all the emails in bulk on Gmail. That's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.